Hi everyone, this is G. Shanmuka from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, and today we are here to discuss about normal distribution. We will go deeper into this topic, and we will know about how to calculate normal distribution. See now, what is normal distribution? Basic definition is a random variable x is said to be a normal to have a normal distribution with the parameters mu called mean and sigma square called variance if its density function is given by the probability law. Means f of x comma mu comma sigma is equal to 1 by sigma into root over 2 pi into x e power minus 1 by 2 into x minus mu by sigma whole square comma x is defined everywhere, mu is defined everywhere, and sigma is greater than 0. This sigma is greater than 0 because it is there in the denominator side. Means not only denominator side, while calculating this sigma means variance, we have to take this square, means we have to take this square which can be always be positive. So that is the main reason behind why sigma must be only positive. Now see here, a rv x means a normal variable with mean mu and variance sigma square follows the normal distribution is denoted by x n of mu comma sigma square. Means x is almost equal to n of mu in comma sigma square. If x is almost equal to n of mu comma sigma square, then z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. Here x is a variable, means value of the variable. Normal means it's a variable, and mu is the mean and sigma is the variance. Sigma is the standard deviation. Sigma square is in variance, and sigma is standard deviation. Is a standard normal variate with e of z is equal to 0 and varia of z var of z equal to 0, and we write z is equal to n of 0 comma 1. Now the PDF. Now generally this formula of f of z is given by 1 by root over 2 pi into e power minus z square by 2, where z is defined for everywhere. Now the distribution function f of z is also can be calculated by 1 by root 2 pi into integral of minus infinity to z e power minus t square by 2 dt into dt, which can be also said as p of z less than or equal to z. Now f of minus z is equal to 1 minus f of z. This is a property. This is the property of the distribution function. And p of a less than z less than or equal to b is equal to p of a less than or equal to z less than b, and it is equal to p of a less than b equal to p of a less than or equal to z is less than or equal to b is equal to f of b minus f of a. Means you don't be confused much about this formula. This is not a formula, this is just general property of a normal distribution function. See, if x n of mu minus mu comma sigma square, then z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. Then p of a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b is equal to f of b minus mu by sigma minus f of a minus mu by sigma. This can be used for calculation in the problem. And ND, normal distribution, is another limiting form of a BD of the BD under the following conditions. N, the number of trials is infinitely large, neither P nor Q is very small. These are the two conditions for ND being a limiting form of BD, normal distribution, which is ND means normal distribution. Now, chief characteristics of normal distribution and normal probability curve. The curve is bell-shaped and symmetrical about the line x is equal to mu. The line equation is x equal to mu. Mean, median and mode of the distribution will be coincided. Means in the graph, the line of mean and median and mode will be coincided. Now, as x increases, numerically f of x is increases, means x is directly proportional to f of x. Now see, the maximum probability occurring at the point x is equal to mu and is given by p of x max is equal to 1 by sigma into root 2 pi, means the maximum probability occurring will be at the point x is equal to mu. Now beta 1 is equal to 0 and beta 2 is equal to 3. Then mu of 2r plus 1 is equal to 0, where r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And mu 2r is equal to 1 into 3 into 5 into up to 2r minus 1 into sigma power 2r. Means these values, this beta value, this mu 2r plus 1 and mu r 2r are generally used for the calculation of the normal distribution function accordingly as per the question. Since f of x being the probability can never be negative, no proportion of the curve lies below x-axis, means the function, means the graph of f of x cannot be less than, means cannot be lie below the x-axis, means which can be always positive. The linear combination of independent normal variate is also a normal variate, means the linear combination of an independent variable will also be as a normal variate also. Now x-axis is an asymptote to the curve, means asymptotes means in the previous studies asymptotes. X-axis will be asymptote to the curve. Which curve? F of x, the function curve. The points of inflections of the curve are given by x is equal to mu plus or minus, in the sense it can be plus or minus of sigma. F of x is equal to, means so that f of x is equal to 1 by sigma into root over 2 pi into e power minus 1 by 2. Okay, next QD, MD, SD. These are the terms used for the calculations, and QD is to MD is to SD is equal to 2 by 3 sigma into 4 by 3 sigma into sigma. Means the sigma will be cancelled as it is in common. So 2 by 3 is to 4 by 3 is to 1, or QD is to MD is to SD is equal to 10 is to 12 is to 15. The ratio of the QD, MD, SD is 10, 12, 15. Area property, it has also an area property. P of mu minus sigma less than x is less than mu plus sigma, which is equal to 0.6826 is equal to P of minus 1 less than z less than 1. P of mu is equal to 2 sigma less than x less than mu plus 2 sigma is equal to 0.9544 is equal to 0. Is equal to P of minus 2 to P of minus 2 less than Z less than 2, means Z belongs to minus 2 to 2. Now P of mu minus 3 sigma less than x less than mu plus 3 sigma is equal to 0.9973 is equal to P of minus 3 less than Z less than 3, implies P of mod Z greater than 3 is equal to 0.0027. Now MGF of normal distribution, if x is almost equal to n of mu comma sigma square, then mx of t is equal to e power mu t plus t power t square into sigma square by 2. Okay, now see, if this is one condition, and another condition is if z is almost equal to n of 0 comma 1, then mz of t is equal to e power t square by 2. E power t square by 2, don't be confused. Means this is the general way how to use the normal distribution, and these are the formulas so that we can continue in the problematic situations. So this is end of the today's lecture, and thank you. Hope you have got an idea about what does this mean.